he could come from? Alright, bro. Since I think they're like surrounding us. Like, hey, bro, y'all pull back. Hey, y'all guns up. Watch it up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Well, I don't know if the dude shot me or not. Yeah, I pulled him back because